This is my tutorial on Google Calendar. So first I'm going to go open a new Google tab and type in calendar.google.com. I'm going to go and it'll bring up my Google Calendar. It's going to show all of my calendars that I have, or I can uncheck boxes. So it'll slowly take away and I can just see certain events. So I'm just going to uncheck everything for now. To add a new calendar, I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to add a calendar. I'm going to create a new calendar and I'm going to call this Kenice 205. We can change the time zone if we want, but we are in Central Time Zone, so I'm going to leave that. We're going to create the calendar. I'm going to go back, and now I have Kenice 205. I can change the color of it if I want, and now I can create an event on Sunday. And we're going to say homework due. And I could change the calendar if I want, but since it's Kenice, I'm going to leave it as Kenice. I can add a time. So we're going to say homework is due at 11:30. We'll put to 12 a.m. We can add a guest. So let's go to more options. Let me add a guest. I'm going to use my UL email. So I'll add myself as a guest. I'm going to change this and make it repeat weekly on Sunday. That way every week it's going to tell me that my homework is due at 11:30 on Sundays. I can add conferencing if I wanted to, add a location. So I'm going to save it and it's going to ask me if I want to send it, and I will send it to myself. So now it is recurring, and you can go here, you can look at the year and click on any month you want, and it doesn't matter which month you click on. If you click on a Sunday, it's going to say that your homework is due. You can go back and go to week view, and every Sunday it's going to say that I have homework due at 11:30. So I'm going to go back to month view, and that is how you create an event on Google Calendar.